I'm Ashley.
And I'm Sammy.
And we're doing a popcorn experiment
for our school science fair. We are testing different popcorn brands to see which one is the best overall. Our question we are testing is which brand of popcorn has the least amount of kernels left in the bag after popping into the microwave for 2 minutes, and which brand of popcorn tastes the best. We predicted that if we pop a bag of popcorn of Trails End, Act 2 and Orville Redenbacher's kettle corn, then Trails End will have the least amount of kernels left in the bag, and we take a taste test. Then Orville Redenbacher's will taste the best.
For the popping in the microwave experiment, we are going to microwave 1 bag of each brand of popcorn for 2 minutes, right? Step 2, we will count the number of kernels left in each bag and see which one has the least amount of kernels. Step 3, we will first be timing the popcorn popping, and to make measurements, we will count the kernels. Step 4, then we will repeat this process 10 times, and then step 5, we will then take the average amount of kernels in each bag for all the trials, and we will do this for each brand of popcorn. Now for the taste test, we will pop 3 bags of each brand of popcorn for people to test. Step 2, the brand of popcorn they will be testing will be unknown to them. Step 3, we will be having 30 people test each brand of popcorn. Then they will tell us which popcorn they liked best. And here are some videos of our experiments. Okay, which one do you like best? Three.
Oh, okay. Three. What? One.
My grades?
That got back in first quarter, I get it a good second quarter.
Scientists already know that Native American Indians discovered popcorn, and the main reason why kernels don't pop is because they don't have enough moisture in them to create heat to pop.
So nutrition information for each brand of popcorn is already known. So there are 320 calories in a bag of Trails End kettle corn and 400 for Act 2 and 350 for Orville Redenbacher. There are a total of 17 grams of fat in a bag of Trails End popcorn, 25 for Act 2 and 25 for Orville Redenbacher. Trails End had 0 grams of trans fat, Act 2 had 0 grams, and Orville Redenbacher had 0 grams.
Act 2 had an average of 23 kernels left in the bag, and uncertainty of 12%. Trails End had an average 36 kernels left in the bag, and uncertainty of 13%. Orville Redenbacher's had an average of 30 kernels left in the bag, and an uncertainty of 9%. Overall, they were all somewhat close.
We had 30 people take the test, 7 people chose Act 2, 8 people chose Trails End, and 15 people chose Orville Redenbacher.
When we were doing our taste test, one of the brands of popcorn was Orville Redenbacher's, and it was a pop-up bowl, and the rest were regular popcorn bags. We couldn't find the regular bags, so when we went to the store, we bought pop-up bags instead. When we were popping one of the Orville Redenbacher's bag, it didn't pop very much popcorn. And the last time we tried to pop it, the popcorn got burnt. We ended up finding Orville Redenbacher's kettle corn in regular bag, so we bought that instead. We had to do the taste test over again. Then there was another bag that burnt a little, but it was fine because we brought an extra one just in case.
In the end, Orville Redenbacher was the overall winner.
Our results were in a close range, but they're a little random. We had a low uncertainty, so the results were close. It means that some bags have kernels in them that have more water, so more kernels pop than in another bag. that has kernels that have less water inside or not enough to pop.
Our results support half of our hypothesis. We predicted that Trail's End would have the least amount of kernels in the bag after being popped in the microwave, but it was Act 2 instead. We also predicted that Orville Redenbacher would taste the best, and we were correct.
We wanted to acknowledge our parents for helping us in the process of keeping us motivated.
They helped us get supplies and products we needed to make everything happen.
We also wanted to thank Mr. Chancellor, our science teacher,
AKA Homie G,
for helping us with any problems we had or questions that we needed to be answered. He was a big help in the process of putting everything together. We wanted to thank you for helping us and making our project possible.